Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 32. In the diagram, line PU and line SR are parallel. Look at it, line PU and line SR are parallel lines. PS is also parallel to TR. Line PS, this line PS is also parallel to line TR. Then line QS is also parallel to line UR. Line QS is also parallel to line UR. Now UR is equals to 15 centimeter, like you can see. SR is 8 centimeter, like you can see. PS is 10 centimeter, like you can see. And area of angle SUR, look at it, area of triangle SUR. Now this is a triangle SUR. This triangle here, triangle SUR, is 24 centimeter square. Calculate the area of PTRS. PTRS. Now looking at this shape, we have the shape is like this, and this is a parallelogram. With a parallelogram. But first, now to find the area of this parallelogram, because area of parallelogram, this area of PTRS, which is a parallelogram, is equals to base times height. Now we have the base given to us to be 8 centimeter, but we need to know the height of this parallelogram. So in order for us to get the height, we simply find the height using the area of this triangle SUR. Remember, they say the area of triangle SUR, is equals to 24 centimeter square, and area of a triangle is given as half base times height, and the base is 8 centimeter. So it simply means that 24 is equals to half times 8 times h. Now from this we'll have that 8 divided by 24 by 2, so this will be equals to 24 is equals to 8h all over 2. 2 here 1 and 2 in 8 is 4, so 24 is equals to 4h. H is equals to 24 all over 4, and h is equal to 6 cm. So the height now is 6 centimeter, the height of this triangle also, which is equivalent to the height of the parallelogram. So area of PTS now will be equals to 8, which is the base, times the height, which is 6, and that is equals to 48 centimeter square. So 48 centimeter square is option B. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.